Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm about to show you something that completely redefines what a full-size van can be. The 2026 Customized GMC Savana van. A true masterpiece of comfort, power, and modern design. If you think vans are just for cargo or basic travel, wait until you see what this beast can do. This isn't just a van. It's a mobile luxury suite on wheels, perfectly built for those who want performance, practicality, and pure presence. Let's start with the first impression, the exterior. The 2026 GMC Savana looks bold, powerful, and muscular. This one is fully customized with a sleek gold metallic paint job, chrome detailing, LED headlamps, and redesigned aerodynamics that give it a futuristic edge. The wide stance, extended roofline, and premium alloy wheels make it look more like a luxury shuttle than a traditional van. GMC has clearly put thought into blending toughness with elegance, making it stand out anywhere you go. Now, under the hood, this customized GMC Savana packs serious muscle. Depending on your configuration, you can get a 6.6-liter V8 or the new electric hybrid powertrain that combines instant torque with efficiency. Whether you're driving across the city or heading for a long road trip, this van delivers smooth power and confidence. GMC's engineers made sure it's quieter, stronger, and far more fuel efficient than any of its predecessors. Moving to what really makes this van special, the interior. Step inside and you instantly feel like you've entered a private jet. The custom leather captain chairs are fully reclinable with massage and heating options. The LED ambient lighting sets the mood, while the panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light. You've got an advanced infotainment system with a massive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice-activated smart controls. In this customized version, luxury goes to another level. The rear section is designed as a mini lounge, complete with a fold-out sofa bed, mini refrigerator, 5G Wi-Fi, and a 4K entertainment screen. GMC made sure that long trips feel like you're riding in first class. The sound insulation is so good, it's whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Safety-wise, GMC didn't cut corners. The 2026 Savana includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree surround cameras. You even get automatic emergency braking and driver attention alerts, so it's not only luxurious but also incredibly safe. Now let's talk about customization. This van is built for personality. You can tailor everything from the seating layout to the flooring, lighting colors, and tech features. Some owners have even turned theirs into full-blown luxury campers with kitchens and sleeping pods. It's the kind of vehicle that transforms depending on your dream. Business travel, family adventure, or VIP transport. The Savana adapts effortlessly. When you hit the road, the ride quality feels rock solid yet smooth. GMC's improved suspension absorbs every bump, and the steering feels lighter and more responsive than before. You can truly feel the premium refinement in every corner and acceleration. Overall, the 2026 customized GMC Savana van is not just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle statement. It combines rugged GMC DNA with a futuristic luxury experience. Whether you're a traveler, entrepreneur, or someone who loves high-end customization, this van gives you everything: space, comfort, technology, and unmatched road presence. If you want to stand out and travel in ultimate comfort, this is the van for you. It's powerful, practical, and pure luxury on wheels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews of the most exclusive and futuristic rides. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.